morning, everyone. Hello and happy Saturday. Happy weekend.
Yes.
Exciting. We made it to another weekend. I hope you have some fun things planned. Thanks for tuning in today. It is time for our release reveal for what's coming next week. It's officially May.
I know.
Right?
And look at your hair. It's so curly.
Spring has sprung and the springiness is in my hair.
Yes.
So little known fact, I do have naturally curly hair, and some days, kind of rarely, I decide to wear it curly. So today was one of those days, and
that is just another thing that we are so different on. Like mine is so straight. I wish I had curl in my hair,
and I wish I had straight hair, because
so
the amount of time, if I could calculate the amount of time in my life spent straightening my hair, it would probably be eye-opening and disheartening.
I spend a lot of time to curl it, so
see, I guess, give and take, right?
Yes.
Well, we are excited to share with you the newest products that are coming for our first release in May, next week, Tuesday. And it is time to celebrate the men in our lives.
Oh, great.
Right? We are coming up on Father's Day, but not only for Father's Day, we all know guys who appreciate a good handmade card.
Yes. I love their oohs and ahs.
I do too.
Guys seem to have the best, like, oh, you made this?
You made this. I know. They get some of my best compliments have come from the cards I've sent to men. So kind of exciting. I am excited to share these products with you. We have 3 new bundles. We have some exclusive freebies that you can earn with the purchase of each bundle. But as always, all of the products are available individually, and we're excited to explore some of the hobbies that many men often love to do. So
I love all 3 of these hobbies as well. So I'm excited to get into them, and I'm already thinking of the ladies in my life who will also love to receive these cards.
I do know women who love to do all of these things too. So
let's show them. Let's show them. Okay.
Here we go. Let's get started. So here's a look at the 3 different bundles that we're offering for our For Him release, and I'm going to go through and show you all of the products now. So first bundle we want to talk about is this one. Raise your hand in the comments if your dad, brother, brother-in-law, uncle, who do you know who loves to grill? Who's the grill master? And if it's you, if you are the grill master, we want to hear about that. This is a bundle for the grill master in your life. Our dad always ran the grill growing up. And also my husband runs the grill. Your husband does too.
You got to keep someone around that knows how to turn the grill on and off. I'm always like, what button is it?
Is it a button? Is it do I need a flame? I don't know. So I am so appreciative to have yummy grilled food in the summer, and we are coming up on those summer months where we are going to get some good use out of our grill. So this starts with the Hot Off the Grill die set. You can build this cute grill. We've got the little ketchup and mustard, the little spatula and the tongs, and the 2-tined fork. There's a little bratwurst also that you can put on your grill, and some flames to come out as well. So fun little grill image there. And then I don't know. My husband doesn't wear an apron all the time, but I think once you see the sentiments that go on this apron, I'd like to get him a matching apron for the card apron that I'm going to give him. So
buy a card. Have the card match.
Have the card match the present. Yes, he needs an apron for his grilling. There's a cute little pocket with a stitch line down the center that you can put little tools in, like that. The tongs and the spatula can fit in there. Even the ketchup and mustard could go in the pockets. Another great use for this, we have some really fun kitchen-themed items. There is nothing about this that says this has to be a man-only apron. So get out your kitchen-themed things, and you can put this on a card for the cooks in your life or the bakers. Make it in pink and pretty little floral at the bottom. So lots of things you could do with this apron. Then for sentiments for this bundle, we have the Grill Master. This is the one, there are several in here that you could put on the apron, but I like smoking hot.
Because why not?
Why not? I think especially there are a lot of men who do smoking as well.
Oh, yes.
With the smoked meats. And I think this type of grill iconery that we did, it could work as a smoker as well as a grill. So I love that. You're the rarest of them all if you think about how they like their meat cooked. We have Grill Master, Best Flippin' Dad, Boss of the Barbecue, even some birthday ones in here. Happy birthday to the King of the Grill and hope your day is flippin' awesome.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
I think these are really cute. And of course there are coordinating dies as well. And then the last item in this bundle, we have this cute little background. This is called Grill and Chill. It includes different foods like the watermelon, hot dog, hamburger. You've got your little tongs in there and some ketchup and mustard too. So really, really cute. And all of these items then are part of the bundle. And if you purchase the bundle, you're going to get free the Insider's Grill Master.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't this fun? Let me show you. There's 6 different ones. There's a Happy Father's Day. You're going to get 2 of each, so lots of variety in here. There's It's Your Day, Let's Grill and Chill, To the Master of the Grill and the King of My Heart. Hope your day is full of laughter, love, and perfectly cooked steaks. You are flippin' amazing, and happy birthday to the Chief of the Charcoal.
Oh, cute.
So those are the 12 Insiders panels that you'll get free when you purchase the bundle. And again, all of these items, except for the exclusive Insiders, are available for purchase individually. Let's take a look at a couple of the samples. This is the card I'm going to be making on the live with you on Tuesday. Make sure you tune in. We actually have 2 interactive card lives happening this coming week. So this one, if you pull the little tab, you'll reveal the flames underneath the grill. So I'm going to show you how to build that card with that fun grill on it.
I love that.
I think I put an insider on I did. Best Flippin' Dad, Happy Father's Day.
Oh, you gonna give that one to John?
Yes.
Okay. I thought maybe a smoking hot apron was coming.
Well, I do love this one. I didn't make this one. Jill Hawkins made this one, and I love how she put the fire in the apron, and she's got the little tools with the silver foil cardstock to give them some shine. And then that background stamp is tone on tone embossed on the red cardstock.
I love that.
So really fun there as well. All right, are we ready for our second bundle?
Yes.
What goes better with a good brat than a cold beer?
Yes.
So how many of you have someone in your life who loves beer? I think we can all think of someone, and I'm excited to introduce this Hoppy Hour rubber stamp and stencil combo. This is very similar to what we did with our 5 o'clock somewhere set that was filled with, I love that one too. It has like martinis and margaritas and more of the, John calls them frou-frou drinks.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
My style drinks.
And yes, those are my kind of drinks too. But this is going to be great. I love this stamp and stencil combo. I love this taps image.
The tap.
Isn't that fun? I think that's really cool. With so many restaurants that have so many of the beers on tap, we have the 30 Hop restaurant here that has the 30 different beers on tap. So I think that taps is going to be a really fun way to use these as well. So as a stamp, you're going to be able to stamp those images, and then there are 2 stencils included to add the beer, and then also a stencil for the foam that sits on top of each of the beer containers. And then there are coordinating dies to cut these out. There are 3 dies, so the images you see on here are 3 different stamps, and the dies will cut out each of the individual beer glasses, and then the taps all together as one image. Of course, we did sentiments for this. We've got Cheers to Beers sentiment set that has some great ones. Again, we threw in some birthday along with a Father's Day. There's Happy Retirement in there. Cheers to another year and another cold beer. Your next adventure is on tap. That's a perfect one to go with Happy Retirement. And then this one I love. May your birthday be filled with poor choices and good company. Poor choices, like P-O-U-R, not bad choices. Yes. So those are also part of the bundle. And then when you purchase that bundle, you are going to receive the Insiders Cheers to Beers exclusive insider panels.
Oh, funny.
These are super fun too. I love these. We've got 6 of them. Again, there is a Happy Father's Day. Then we have Birthday Forecast, 100% chance of beer. Where every hour is happy hour. That one actually goes along with Happy Retirement, where every hour is happy hour.
That is clever.
Right?
Yes.
And then we also have this to go with Happy Retirement. You've officially tapped out.
Oh, fun.
Isn't that great? Then we've got a couple of birthday ones. Another year older, another round colder, and It's Your Day, Drink It In. So some fun insider panels that are part of that exclusive. Take a look at this. I love this card that Susan made. I mentioned we are getting creative with our interactive cards this week. So I'm going to do the pull-up card, and Susan has a shaker card. She's got the taps up here and the beer down below. She'll be creating this on the live on Thursday. So make sure you tune in to see that.
Ooh.
Love it. All right, last bundle. After a beer or with your beer, maybe you want to go golfing.
Yes.
That sounds like a good, all of these kind of go together, don't they?
I
love it.
This is one of my favorite pastimes, so I'm like, yes!
I can imagine this one. I have a lot of female friends who love to golf.
Yes.
So I can imagine a cute little pink golf cart and all of that stuff as well. Okay, so this bundle starts with this fun cutting plate. This is called Par for the Course, and it cuts out what you see here on this sample that Lori Craig created.
Wow.
So all of the little openings are designed to look like a golf course. So you have water and sand traps and then the greens. You get your little flags that you can put within each green, and then you can add on all of the trees and bushes around the golf course as well. Now there's an option for an additional layering stencil. So if you wanted to stencil the green openings and the water and the sand, you could do that with this stencil, and then you could pop the plate over the top. So I'm excited. Someday, maybe I can build this into something that has like a little, if you put acetate behind it and pop it up, couldn't you imagine like a little golf ball traveling within the green or something like that? I don't know.
Oh, that would be so fun.
It sounds complicated, but fun to try. So I think you'll get lots of fun ideas with this Par for the Course, and you can make it as simple or as complex as you want. If you wanted to just use the stencil with these extra pieces, you could do that, or you can add in the cutting plate as well. Then we have the golf cart die set. Fun little addition to our collection. This one is a little bit larger. You'll see on some of the samples, you can make it your focal image. And then we also have the golf bag. We already have Little Bits Golf in our collection, and that golf club will fit into the new golf bag. So if you don't have a golf club yet, you might want to check out Little Bits Golf as well. And then last in this bundle, we have our coordinating sentiments called For You. So we've got Let's Party. Oh, that reminds me, Henry's birthday last year was golf themed.
I know.
I'm a year too late with this. Do we need to have another golf themed birthday party?
Let's do it. His birthday's coming up. So
we had t-shirts that said Let's Party on them. So that was fun. Love you with all my cart. You're not over the hill. You're just on the back nine.
Yes!
You're a hole in one. You're the best by par. So lots of fun golf puns in that sentiment set with the coordinating dies. And then with the purchase of that bundle of items, we have, as you may have guessed, the Insiders For You. And these say, hope you have a great birthday, old man. Just swinging by to say happy birthday. May your drives be long and your putts be short.
Yes!
Hope your day is perfect in every way. And then we've got a happy Father's Day and happy birdie to you. So some more fun golf puns in the Insiders set. Let's take another look at some of those samples. As I mentioned, this one from Lori Craig pairs together the Par for the Course. She's got the sentiment in there, and she even was able to fit that golf cart down in the corner as a fun focal for this project.
And in this sample, she did use the cutting plate and the layering stencil to give those different colors. I love how she added splatter to there, too.
I do. That's kind of fun. You can see the splatters in the background of the sand and the water. And she was able to do that by stenciling first and then cutting the design and popping it up over the top. So her greens and everything is kind of recessed on the card, which gives it that fun dimension, too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then we have a couple of beautiful cards from Mindy Egan. I love the simplicity of these. Wouldn't this make a fun set of golf cards, too? She's got the golf club with the ball that's from our Little Bits golf set, paired with that golf bag. And then you have the golf cart on this one. This background, I'm so glad she pulled that out because I think it just looks stunning with this. It's called Fine Diamond, I believe. And it looks like Argyle, kind of, which is a pattern that you often associate with golf. So very cute samples. All right, let's come back to everyone, Whitney, and say farewell. All right, we are excited for Tuesday to celebrate the men in our lives, both now for Father's Day and continuing through the year as they celebrate birthdays and other special occasions like retirements and such. So we hope you're excited. We would love to hear in the comments, what's your favorite bundle? What are you excited to try? And who do you envision creating it for?
Ooh, yes.
Right? I love to hear, who are you sending your cards to? Because that's why we make them, right? So think about that this weekend as you get ready for the release on Tuesday. Again, that is happening at 9 a.m. Central Time on the Tailored Expressions website. And I hope to see you on the live at 10. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.
Happy Saturday.